100 years of history has defined the Häfele Group. From the invention of the minifix to our present-day status as a global force, we have a presence in over 70 countries across the globe, and for over 40 years, Häfele UK has been a part of that journey. We've been defined by groundbreaking innovation and partnerships with leading brands in the industry. But that doesn't mean we've stopped innovating. With our in-house manufacturing, we produce billions of items per year across more than a dozen high-quality brands. You can rely on Häfele to deliver products engineered for quality, style, and function. With a vast inventory of over 25,000 products, extensive stock holding capabilities across all product ranges, and a state-of-the-art distribution network, we're equipped to meet our customers' needs, ensuring next-day delivery and even direct delivery to the end consumer. At Häfele, it's not just about great products. We're committed to supporting you throughout every step of the process. That's why we created Service Plus. We offer training and expertise both in our academy and on site, planning tools and expert guidance from our technical services team, products pre-assembled and made to your specifications, and our assist team are out on the road to help you with preparation and installation. We also have a dedicated specifications team for projects including architectural hardware, electronic access control, sliding door gear, and so much more. You can also order everything you need online and manage your orders through your My Häfele portal. So, with our full 360-degree service offerings, we can be there every step of the journey. We work with a wide range of customers, from furniture manufacturers, builders merchants, and architects, to studios, tradespeople, DIY retailers, and so many more, offering a one-stop shop for everyone we work with. We're rewriting what it means to be a full-service partner. With 100 years of experience behind us and cutting-edge innovation ahead, we're only going to grow in the years to come. So join us as we maximize the value of space together.